Hello. So today we are going to see about manufacturing journals. So let us see the steps of the journals, manufacturing journals. First of all, we create the list of raw materials. Suppose we want a wooden table. Then all the raw materials that are needed like wood, ply, nails, glue, etc. is first to be made. Then we see the steps for manufacturing journal. We create a legend named labor cost under direct expenses. We purchase raw materials for the item. Voucher type we go to inventory stock info. Journals. We select voucher the last types. Option for manufacturing journal and manufacturing ledger journal. And these are other steps for manufacturing journal. Again, we go to inventory step part 2. Inventory vouchers. We click on the stock journal. We select table and enter the quantity to be made. We select raw materials and enter all the exact quantity required. We include additional cost. We enter the amount and we save it. Now to see the stock summary. Which will be displayed as cost per piece. And now we sell the item with profit. So let us go in the app, Tally app, and let's illustrate the steps step by step, and we see the process. Select the company. We select company name as our big store, and we go to inventory info. Stable. And we store it in the main location. One quantity. Name of the item, let us take wood 10 feet, 10 at the rate 120. We have taken wood. We will now take plywood 6 foot. We take nails 40. For manufacturing voucher, we need to make two ledgers. One is freight charges, that is the delivery charges, and another charge is labor cost. So this will made under ledgers, accounts info ledger, accounting info, ledgers, display, labor cost. Okay. So it is labor cost. I have already made it, so I am just showing you again. And if I change and if I go to labor cost, and I can see that I will change it again. Indirect expenses, direct expenses. Labor cost is under direct expenses. And we also make freight charges. It is also freight charges is also made under the ledger. You can see freight charges. It is also made direct expenses. So both the ledgers are already made. So we need those ledger in our manufacturing journal uh, steps. So giving all the ingredients here, we can manufacture our table by selecting all the items. We can manufacture our table. We press enter, end of the list. So here we will type table. We will select go down main location. Percentage cost of allocation. We can leave it blank also, but for the benefit we selected 5%. Quantity 1. So we have made this ledger initially. It is very less, so let us make it labor cost. Let us make it 15%, and delivery cost is freight charges. Freight charges is 10%. So we accept and we press enter, and our table has been manufactured. We press escape and go to our stock summary. You can see by clicking on hardware, inventory info. We have gone to voucher types. We have created manufacturing journal. Since it is already created, so I am showing you again, but it is not needed now because it is already created. So I will get a message it exists. Stock journal is the type of voucher. It is automatic, and all, and we have to make this very important thing yes, or else we will not be able to manufacture table. The steps are easy. Now let us sell one table. We go to accounting vouchers and we select sales. We sell one table. Let us take it as reference 114 to our customer, every customer. And it is not applicable, not delivery note, not applicable. And we press enter, we select sales ledger, and we select one table because two table is already there. We select one table. Main location, okay, one at the rate of 5,000. We sell it at the rate of 5,000, and let us give a discount of 5%. And we press enter and sell it. We have sold one table. So if you go our profit and loss summary, we see that our profit and loss has been now 8,000. We press ALT plus F1 and we see our total profit is 8,300. This is our total profit. So this was all about manufacture journal. Hope you have liked it. and we will see you again in the next presentation of Tally. Thanks for watching.